Guys, welcome to AKV and this is Vishnu. This illustration, a light builder has been approached by a foreign embassy to build for it a block of 6 flats to be used as guest house. As per the terms of the contract, the foreign embassy would provide a light builder the plan and the land costing 25 lakhs. A light builder would build the flat at their own cost and lease them to the foreign embassy for 15 years, at the end of which the flat will be transferred to the foreign embassy for a nominal value of 8 lakhs. A light builder estimates that the cost of construction as following. The area per flat is 1000 square feet. Construction cost will be 400 per square feet. Registration and other costs will be 2.5% of cost of construction. A light builder will also incur 4 lakhs each in year 14 and 15 towards the repair. Light builders proposes to charge the lease rentals as following. Year rents 1 to 5 normal, 6 to 10 it is 120% of nominal, and 11 to 15 it's 150% of nominal. A light builder present tax rate average of 35%, which is likely to be same in future. The full cost of construction and the registration will be written off over 15 years at a uniform unit rate and will be allotted for the tax purpose. You are required to calculate the nominal lease rent per annum per flat for your exercise. Your answer. The minimum desired return of 10%. The rent and repair will also on the last day of the year will arise on the last day of the year, and construction, registration and other costs will be incurred at time equals 0. So guys, this is a question on which the allied builders has been transferred the land costing rupees 25 lakhs and they need to build a flat, and such flat should be transferred to the foreign embassy for 8 lakhs as nominal value after 15 years. So for the 15 years they can charge a lease rent. So the lease rent shall be in proportion to 1 to 5 years it should be normal rent, and 6 to 10 years it should be 120% of normal, and 11 to 15 it should be 150% of nominal rent, and the rate of return is 10%, and other details are also given. So let's go ahead with the solution. So first of all we have the cost of construction. So the cost of construction as given is 400 per square feet. Therefore 1000 into 40 into 60 will give you 24 lakhs. And registration charges, so the registration charges would be 2.5%, that is 24 lakhs into 2.5, which is 60,000. Guys, over here there is a change. It is 1000 square feet of, and the rate is 400 per square feet into there is 6 flats. Therefore 1400 into 6, which gives you 24 lakhs, and then the registration charge is 2.5% of 24 lakhs, which gives 60,000. Therefore the total cost will be 24 lakhs 60,000. Then we have a repairing cost on 40th and 50th year. So such cost shall be added. which is overhead, we can deduct the tax shield from repair expenses. So these are occurring at the 14th and 15th year, but the other construction costs are occurring on the first year or 0 year. Therefore these expenses, which is 4 lakh for 14th year and 4 lakh for 15th year, shall be the present value factor shall be considered. Present value as well as tax shield factors shall be considered. Therefore 4 lakh into 1 minus tax rate into present value factor, and 4 lakhs into 1 minus tax rate into present value factor shall be considered, and such amount will be 1,30,708. Such as, therefore the total cost will be 25,90,708.06. Okay, so we have the cost. Now we the computation of lease rent. So the lease rent shall be considered as x. Therefore the lease rent for first 5 years will be x, and the second 6 to 10 years will be 1.2x, and 11 to 15 years it should be 1.5x. Then the depreciation shall be considered. So the depreciation is done in the straight line method, which is the total depreciation should be the total cost. Let me the working. Okay, depreciation has been here, which is 24,60,000 is the total cost, divided by 15 years will give you 164,000, that is 1,64,000, right? So such expenses has been there. Therefore the total will be x, cost will be x minus depreciation. So, and then we need to deduct the tax shield percentage. So after considering tax shield, the PAT or profit after tax will be 0.65 into 1,06,600, and for 5 to 10 years it would be 6 to 10 years it would be 0.78 into negative 1,06,600, and over here on the year of 11 to 15 it will be 0.975 multiplied into negative 1,06,600, 1,06,600. After considering the tax shield, we have the PV factor. So the PV factor for one PV factor of 10% for 5 years would be 3.7907. For 6 to 10 years it would be 2.3537, and for 11 to 15 years it would be 1.46105. So when we multiply such amount, we will get the amount of 2.464x minus 21759, that is 2,17,592, and for 6 to 10 years it would be 1.836x minus 1,35,108, and for 11 to 15 years it would be 1.425x minus 83,890. When we take the sum of the entire 15 years, it would be 5.735 into negative, it's negative, it's given divide, negative 4,36,590. Now the computation of terminal cash flow, that is present value of terminal cash flow, would be nominal value of flat after 15 years would be 8 lakh. Therefore less tax on profit, it would be 35%. So after considering that is 2,80,000, so after considering that it would be 5,20,000. After considering the tax shield, there would be 5,20,000, and the PV will be present value of 15th year, it would be 0.239. Therefore the PV factor for the terminal cash flow would be 5,20,000 multiplied by 0.239 will give you 1,24,280. Now the final calculation at 10% risk-free rate of PV cash inflow equal to PV cash outflow, which is 5.725x plus 4,36,590 plus 1,24,280 will give you 25,90,000. Sorry, 25,90,700. When we solve this equation, we will get x as 3,54,553 as the lease rent of the flat. When we divide this 3,54,555 with 6, which is the number of flat is 6, we'll get the annual lease rent as 59,092.5. So guys, thanks for watching this video. I hope you are clear with this example. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe.